What's up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hopefully I don't act too stressed out on camera. Today's February 13th. It's Wednesday. It's 11:43 and we are on the way to Powder Coating Specialties to pick up the frame. It's been a pretty stressful little couple weeks that we've had, and we are staying positive, and we're going to make sure that we get this truck finished to take it to Lone Star Throwdown. We got a lot of work ahead of us. So I want you guys to do a big favor. Go over to Powder Coating Specialties Instagram page and give them a follow. And if you guys are in the Denver area and need to get any powder coating work done, these are the guys to take it to. They'll take care of you. Talk to Jack or Jose here. If you guys saw our first video, we got the truck basically all stripped down. If you guys haven't seen that, you definitely need to go back and check that out. We'll put a link in the description for the first video. We've gotten everything torn down, and we kind of didn't want to bore you guys with everything, so we've kind of gotten this is the underside of the cab that we're sitting in, ready for paint. And we're gonna paint this pearl white tonight, and we're also gonna do the underneath the bedside. And we got all our parts back from Powder Coat, so we're gun-ho. We're gonna start getting all the suspension not torn apart, put back together now. Taryn's our doctor today. Well, don't cut the part that I'm gonna grip. Here, hold on. Just go straight down. Got it. Well, that's that. Well, my hand feels a lot better. That's what it looks like. That's a fucked up scar now. Oh, that's a messed up scar.
What are you doing?
I'm having my Valentine's Day, dude.
You're having a date with the frame?
She's kind of a gold digger. Listen, I don't have any more money for you. We just got you a new lift. That was expensive. Can I get a refill? Yeah.